Do you need a 1 billion life insurance coverage? Then this plan is for you. This is provided by AIA Philippines. The plan name is called AIA Max Protect. This is a sample quotation for a male that is 50 years old, and then this is 5 years to pay and covered till the age of 100. Right now, let's look at the benefits included in this plan. There are three. Number one, life insurance benefit. Number two is non-guaranteed dividends. Number three is maturity benefit. Explain ko sa inyo what those benefits are. First part is life insurance. If something happens to the insured, 1 billion will be provided to the beneficiaries, the wife, the children, or the company, or the chosen charitable institution can be. Second part is the non-guaranteed dividends. Later on, I'll show you a table of illustration, how it could play out, how much can you receive based on the current or low dividend rates. The last part is maturity benefit. Something, if you reach the age of 100 as the insured person and there was no claims throughout that time, you'll be rewarded 1 billion to the policy owner. Now let's talk about ano nga ba yung non-guaranteed dividends. So for now, illustration number one, it's at 3.9%. So for example, you're age 50 by age 65, you know, the dividends would be around 100 million plus total living benefits mo is 546,866. Yan. Ganyan kalaki ang pwede. Let's look at scenario number two. If the dividend rate is low as 2.9% comparing to 3.9% earlier at age 65, instead of 100 million, you're getting about 95 million of dividends plus your guaranteed cash value. It's around total of around 541 million pesos. Again, the beauty of this product is you're covered till the age of 100 and your life insurance coverage is 1 billion. Now, let's look at how much premium do we need to pay. So, this is a 5-year plan to pay age 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 for an annual payment of 115,420 and 750 pesos in 5 years. But you have also different options. If you want to pay it annually, semi-annually, or quarterly and monthly. Again, this is a plan who's looking for a 1 billion life insurance coverage. If you're a 50 years old male, then this is perfect for your estate planning, could be for your business succession, or basically for income protection for the family you want to protect. If you want to have your own customized sample quotation like this, could be a 1 billion coverage, could be lower, could be higher, could be 1 million, could be 5 million, could be 50 million. Please let me know in the comment section below or just directly send me a message so I can provide that to you, or we can also drop into a online video call so we can have our one-on-one free consultation about your insurance planning.